Manufacturers have long been the backbone of progress. But the current landscape means they must navigate rising inflation, fluctuating markets, and global supply chain disruptions. So finding new solutions to improve profitability is more important than ever. Beneath the machines, the processes, and the production lines lies its hidden superpower: data. In fact, every manufacturing company is generating more than 1,800 petabytes of data each year through their operations. Those who can effectively harness this data unlock the visibility needed to make smarter decisions. But we know it's not easy. Complex datasets, isolated data silos, and uncertainty about where to begin leaves many manufacturers stuck at square one. That's why we built a manufacturing insights platform, MIP. It's a data-first solution that is designed to centralize your factory data and transform it into actionable insights. MIP extracts, processes, and visualizes your data, turning raw numbers into a clear, holistic view of your operations. We connect directly to every machine, PLC, and sensor to extract operational data. We even utilize the power of AI to track manual processes and assembly lines, equipping you with an unmatched depth of data and ensuring nothing is left behind. MIP's intuitive dashboard transforms complex data into clear insights. The management portal is the central hub for all of your operations. The portal allows users to configure, monitor, and manage all assets on the shop floor. The operator portal is the user-friendly interface enabling real-time access to machine data and system alerts. We know that every manufacturer is unique. MIP offers a modular solution that can be tailored to your unique needs. So whether MIP is forming the basis of a full digital transformation or you're trying to stay ahead of the curve, our technology experts will work with you to find a solution. MIP, built with manufacturers for manufacturers.